How to enable two-factor authentication Fortnite on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to guide you through on how you can enable the 2FA or let's say two-factor authentication on your Fortnite on your mobile. So let's just get ahead with the process and let me show you how you can do it. So how we can do it, so let's just get started. So first of all, head over and open up your preferred browser and go ahead to Epic Games. After that, just log in into your account if you haven't logged in. After you're successfully logged in, you can find this menu bar at the top corner. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be finding your settings here. So when you tap on your account, you can find different options right here. So just look out for the option called account and go to the account settings. And when you head over to the account settings, when you scroll down a bit, you can find this option called you need to enable two-factor authentication. Just go ahead and go to that process, continue with the process, and just go ahead and go on with the process of enabling the two-factor authentication in your Epic Games. So what that does is if you enable the two-factor authentication in your Epic Games, you will be also enabling the two-factor authentication in your Fortnite using mobile device. So that is it. Follow the method of creating a two-factor authentication by just following up that method and you should be able to enable it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.